and the rope. Early lead is taken by Tricky Charlize. Benissimo moving up on the outside. It's now Benissimo in the lead, Tricky Charlize. And Billy B-Boy by the rail. Sapia on the outside. Santa Fe, Battle Hill, and the Mansuria is bringing up the rear. It's still Benissimo leading the field by 4 lengths, followed by Santa Fe. Billy B-Boy moving up on the inside. And so was entry number 1, Battle Hill, and Tricky Charlize, Sapia, the Mansuria. At the mid-back stretch, it is still Benissimo in the lead, followed by Santa Fe and Battle Hill moving up on the inside. And rounding the far turn, it's Benissimo, followed by Battle Hill. And on the outside, Billy B-Boy, Santa Fe, and Tricky Charlize. And at the last bend for home, Benissimo. It's Benissimo in the lead. And moving up on the outside, and on the inside is Battle Hill. It's now Battle Hill on the inside, followed by Benissimo, and moving up on the farther outside is Sapia. It's entry number 1, Battle Hill, Sapia on the outside. It's still Battle Hill on the inside, and Sapia on the outside. It's Battle Hill and Sapia moving up. It's Santa Fe on the farther outside, and finally at the payoff line, it's Battle Hill, Sapia, Benissimo, Santa Fe, Tricky Charlize, Billy B-Boy, and the Mansuria.
Okay, 16754 order of arrival natin para sa race number 1, Top Choice Battle Hill.